Is your printer printing everything except black text? This is a super common problem, and here are the fixes. The most obvious cause is an empty or low black ink cartridge. Even if the ink level indicator looks like it has a little left, it may not be enough to print. Replace your black cartridge and test again. The second cause is a clogged black ink nozzle. Black ink is used most often and can dry out if your printer sits unused. Run a Printhead cleaning cycle from your printer's maintenance settings. This clears the nozzle and restores flow. Third, check if your document is set to print in color only. Some print drivers have a setting that skips black entirely. In your printer preferences, make sure black and white or automatic color mode is selected. Fourth, some printers will refuse to print black if another color cartridge is empty. This is a known issue with many inkjet brands. Replace any empty color cartridges even if you're only printing black text. And fifth, if you're using third-party cartridges that aren't recognized by your printer, it may block the black ink channel. Switching to compatible cartridges from CastleInk solves this. They work seamlessly with HP, Canon, Epson, and Brother. Up to 70% less than retail. Link in the description.